This project should be undertaken with parental or adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
I feel like it's a great day for painting.
Sammy, but your granny's coming today. We gotta make dinner.
Huh? Cooking? But I need some art therapy.
No worries. We can combine art with cooking.
Food art? Sounds exciting. Okay, I'm ready. What's next? Let's check the fridge. Sue, we only have an apple.
It's exactly what we need, Sammy.
Really? Okay, then. It's heavy. Are you sure we can turn this regular apple into art?
I've got a few ideas. First of all, let's make some cuts. Ask an adult for help when doing it. Then, pull out the cut slices.
Sue, as a chef, I need to taste it.
That's what we've got. Pretty, right? Now we gotta cut it in two. Let's cut out the middle and other unneeded stuff. The next step is cutting the apple into thin slices. We won't need these pieces.
Don't forget to fix the slices together.
Yeah, a toothpick is a great idea. We need to move the slices a bit. It looks like a flower or a magic tower.
Let's top this tower with a strawberry.
What a great idea, Sammy.
What are we cooking next?
We need to make a bouquet for your granny.
Already done. Look how big it is.
Our bouquet will be edible. Let's use eggs.
Give me a sec. That's good, I eat this for breakfast. I'll cook it in no time, Sue. Ta-da!
No, Sammy, not the microwave. Sammy, don't you know you can't put eggs in the microwave?
No panic. I'll clean it all up and no one will know.
To cook eggs, we need a pot. I gotta be careful not to crack them. I'll pour cold water into the pot and put the pot on the stove. Let's wait for 15 minutes.
14, 15. They're ready.
You are right, Sammy. The eggs are cooked. Now I gotta peel them. What if I use this mini hammer? Oh, it worked! The first egg is ready. What would I do without this hammer? We've got the eggs.
Sue, come on! These don't look like flowers.
Just wait and you'll see. We don't need this part. A tulip!
Wow, Sue! It really looks like a tulip! Ouch! Oh, watch out!
Look, we've got such pretty buds. Now we need stems. Do you have any ideas? Sammy, why are you crying?
I'm not crying. My eyes are just sweating from hard work.
Aw, thanks for cutting the onions. Let's take one egg and make a small hole. Now we put the onion inside. The first flower is ready. We can also make the hole using a stick. Another flower. And the last one.
Okay, I see. Beautiful and easy to make. Sue, here you go. I've made another egg tulip.
Lovely, Sammy.
Since we are finished here, I can have a snack, right?
Wait a second. I really need this carrot.
It's unfair.
How about swapping it for a lollipop?
It's a deal.
Thought so. Anyway, I'll slice the carrot. We need to upgrade it. Such lovely flowers.
I finished my lolly. I need my carrot back.
Sorry, Sammy. Your carrot doesn't exist anymore.
Huh? Wow! It is such a beauty that I don't mind. I can even lend you my new stylistic find.
Perfect.
Whoa, whoa.
I would be happy to get such a bouquet.
Noted. I bet these flowers are also delicious. Almost done. This is art.
Sammy, where did all these crumbs come from?
Oh!
No playing with food. But now I have a great idea. Let me show you. First, we'll need a big bowl and a raw egg. Let's crack it in the bowl. I'll add some cinnamon.
Do you know that my granny loves cinnamon?
What a lucky coincidence. How about a secret ingredient? Okay, it's just sugar.
Whip it well, Sue.
I'll do my best, Chef.
Now it's turn for bread, right? Yep.
That's right. We need to soak it really well. A bit of melted butter. Now it's fry time.
Ask adults to help you guys. We need to serve it. Come on.
Coming! Our toastie's ready. Next, we'll need a cheese spread.
Oh, my feta. That's a lot of cheese.
And we'll use it all. First, we'll put some in 2 bowls.
Color delivery.
Let's paint this cheese blue.
I also like green. You can mix it now, Sue.
What a nice color! Now we'll create grass. I'll also use this to make grass.
Wow, Sue! It looks like real grass!
And now I'll paint a real sky. Something is missing.
How about some flowers?
Oh, that's a great idea. We need more colors, like purple. Now, a touch of pink.
And a few bright touches.
I'll also use some white cheese to draw clouds. Here we go! Our creative toastie is ready.
Sue, how is it going? Sue? Huh? Looks yummy. And it is yummy.
Stop! What is that? You've eaten the toastie!
Huh?
You gotta make another one. And I'll prepare a drink.
Okay, no problem.
First, I'll draw some clouds. And now we need blue matcha. I'll squeeze some lemon into it. It's turning purple. Let's pour it in the glass. I also have such chocolate bar ice cubes. It looks like a transparent chocolate bar. I'll add it to our drink. Another cool thing, Lego ice cubes. Let's mix it with some milk. Wow, look at the color! And the final touch.
Ooh, I've never seen such a drink. Can I try it?
Sure, Sammy, you can take a sip. Well, Sammy, this is the second dish.
I bet my granny will love it. Sue, we don't have the main course.
Right, let's choose one of these. What is the best pick?
It's a tough choice, but my granny loves soups.
Then let's cook chicken soup. I've got an amazing art idea. First, we'll prepare instant noodles, some seasoning, and hot water. Let's continue with the design. We need several thin carrot slices. That's enough. I'll put it in a special way.
Sue, can I finally have some carrot?
Sure, Sammy. Now we'll slice a big mushroom. Here we go. I'll pile it all here.
I'm Sam's brother, and I need a mushroom.
Sam has a brother. Okay.
Thanks.
Time to use our noodles. I'll cut off the extra length. Carefully. Now an egg. We cut it in two and put the halves here. We'll also need a bell pepper. First, I'll cut it into pieces.
I'm Sam's uncle, and I need some pepper.
An uncle? Oh, your mustache! Sammy, it's you!
Whoops!
And we'll continue with our art recipe. Cute onion. We'll need a piece of bell pepper to make a beak. Here we go. Perfect!
Sue, no relatives this time. Just a piece of pepper.
Awesome! And a few finishing touches. Do you like this cute rooster? Let's add chicken broth. The soup is ready.
Wow! The most creative soup ever! Huh? Granny has arrived! How was your journey, Granny?
Not bad. Granny, I'm happy to see you. Welcome.
Oh, we'll start with the main course.
Let's use these chopsticks. I'll serve some food for Granny. It looks and smells delicious.
Friends, while we are treating my Granny, subscribe to our channel.
And don't forget to like this video. Bye-bye.
Oh, thank heavens you're here! We have a serious situation brewing!
Oh no, it looks terrible. Are you okay, Fiona?
Yes, Lady Fiona's a bit under the weather, but I was talking about something else. We might have to cancel the Sandcastle Festival today!
But why? Everyone looks... What was that?
That's just it! We don't know, and people are too frightened to leave their homes.
What can I say, Princess? Not everyone is as brave as me. I was just testing the strength of this curtain. Yep, very sturdy. Good to know.
We have to find out what's out there.
At your service, Princess!
Perfect. You go, Truman, and I'll stay behind and guard the castle. Lots to guard around here.
You mean like curtains?
Countess Elizabeth, stay here too, and take care of Lady Fiona. Truman, it's up to us.
What do you think it is, Billy?
I don't know, but it's big. Look.
What kind of monster do you think it is, Princess Antoinette?
Oh, a big, ferocious one, Princess Marie. The kind that probably eats a person in one bite.
Tell our viewers, how in the world can Princess Billy protect her kingdom against that?
She can't. We're doomed, big time.
Don't pay any attention. You know those two like to exaggerate.
We need to figure out what we're dealing with. Wait, I know who can help.
To-do list for today. 1. Write Grandma and thank her thankfully for the book on magical grammar. 2. Write grocery Whoa! Come in.
Ed, sorry to interrupt, but there's a great big sound in the kingdom that we can't quite figure out.
Can you help us?
Of course I can help, Princess. Now, if I could only remember... here it is. Noise in the air. Show me a spin to be fair. Now, just spin the wheel until you hear the sound. Easy peasy.
Definitely not a duck.
Definitely not a blue whale.
Try again.
A dragon! We better not tell anyone. This would cause a real panic in the kingdom.
That is very wisely wise, Princess.
Breaking news! The creature set loose in the kingdom is a great big dragon! Thank you for bravely agreeing to appear, Panda. Now tell us, just how big is this dragon?
Oh, how about as big as, a house. A really big house that flaps its arms.
Whoa, so what you're saying is Princess Billy can't defend her kingdom or keep her subjects safe.
Did I say that? I mean, yes, exactly. No one is safe. Run!
That's it. We don't need to hear anymore. Have no fear. Nothing is going to get through these doors, I guarantee.
Is now a good time for a hug?
don't have a choice. I have to defend my kingdom. Trim, and I won't blame you if you want to turn back.
Are you kidding? I'm not going anywhere.
There it is! It seems to be looking for something. Whoa! Scorch! Phew! What are you doing here?
I heard you were dealing with the dragon, and I figured you could use my expertise. Being a dragon myself,
Thank you! We need all the help we can get. So, what's your idea?
I thought you'd have one, and I would tell you what I thought.
What's in the bag?
Only the best dragon snack ever. Once you start, you can't stop. Try them!
No, thank you. But I think I know someone else who might like one. Now, all we have to do is pull this lever, and the dragon snacks will go flying way over there.
And the dragon falls going far, far away. Great plan, Billy.
Great! It's amazing!
Oh no! The snacks are flying towards the castle!
A bag of dragon snacks is in. And now the dragon is eating the snacks.
We have to get the dragon away from the castle!
But how? We're too small to scare it off.
Then we become bigger!
Oh?
Come on, let's try, Truman.
It worked! It's scared of us! Let's go even bigger and scarier!
Oh, wait! The dragon's really afraid, and so are we!
So?
So, we have something in common, and maybe we can understand each other. Stay here.
Oh, you scared me.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to, but do you know you're scaring me and everyone else in the kingdom?
I am? Oh, I'm so sorry. I don't mean to. You see, I'm very upset. I was making a big cozy nest for my egg. So I went out to gather some twigs and leaves. When I came back, my egg was gone. That's terrible. What could have happened to it?
Wait a second. Your egg wouldn't happen to be pink, would it?
Uh-huh.
Why, it's Princess Billy. Shouldn't you be off chasing a big, scary dragon?
You mean that big scary dragon? You don't have to be afraid, but I think you have something that belongs to her. An egg, like that one.
But you know if we find something that's pink, it's ours.
Yeah, finders keepers, losers weepers.
Oh, it's even better than a sandcastle festival. From now on this date, we'll have a dragon flying festival.
Nice job, Princess.
Well done, Princess. We're so lucky to have a princess like you.
And I'm lucky to have a place like Magic-y.
So, Billy, still scared of the hamster?
Are you kidding? We're best friends. I just had to get to know him.
Huh? Oh, can we hold him?
I'm not sure. He only likes people who take care of him. Fine, go ahead. He also likes to be scratched under his chin.